Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at the Thailand Electronic Circuit Asia 2025. I have a very distinguished guest with me this afternoon. I will let him introduce himself and then we'll talk a little more.
I'm Canice Chung. I'm indeed the Hong Kong Printed Circuit Association chairman. I've been in the PCB industry for more than 30 years already. So know a bit about printed circuit board, may not know a lot about SMT.
Yeah. So the Hong Kong PCA is quite a strong organization.
It has been over 20 years already.
Yeah. And you have your own exhibition on it.
We have a very big exhibition in Shenzhen, almost about 20 years of history there. Now they will be on the first week, of December, and we have about 3,000 over booth this year.
Wow.
Okay, so quite some of the visitors as well as the exhibitors normally. Okay, so all are welcome to join there.
Okay. So you have a very strong industry in Hong Kong, I guess.
Be fair, in the old days, the large PCB, when I say old days, almost 20-25 years ago, the large PCB shops in Hong Kong and China were all focused in Hong Kong. But during the last 25 years, majority of the PCB shops in Hong Kong has been all relocated back into China. And during these 25 years, there's more industrial changes that the whole supply chain expand rapidly. And now globally, about 55% of the PCB in the world were made in China at a net worth about 55 billion US a year. So the Hong Kong PCB even invest into China, expanded. They are considered to be very small now to the local player.
Yeah, but you still have a strong organization.
We still have a good over 100 of the members holding tight with us.
Yeah, so that's good to have. If the industry is changing, you're still like maintaining your power base.
I think we are just serving the best for all the members there.
Yeah, because if I remember correctly, there's still quite a lot of very high technology manufacturing happening in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Yeah.
In the old days, even TTM, the top number one manufacturers in USA, they still have shops in Hong Kong about 2 years ago. But then now they all closed down and then moved to China as well.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. The world is continually changing.
Same.
Yeah.
Why there are so many people are running into South Asia? It's going to be China plus one or China plus many.
Yes.
The diversification of the supply chain. It's very natural.
Yeah.
It's very natural.
Yeah, it's definitely an organic change. And even despite this, you can still hold a huge exhibition.
Yeah, exactly. And then I'm sure now, the move is what? They are not relocating to South Asia. They're expanding into South Asia.
Yeah.
Means they are adding on a globalization
adding
network.
A factory
Exactly.
rather than
Rather than relocating there.
Yeah.
So this is good news for everybody.
Yeah. I mean, from what I'm seeing happening here in Thailand and also some of the other places in Southeast Asia, as you say, it's additional facilities.
Exactly.
So especially with the technology level increases, that's more equipment intensive, it's more labor intensive, it's much harder, but you're getting like more value per square centimeter than you were getting before.
I think it's driven in full. One primary cost is not the core thing. It's more the customers driven. A diversified, the supply chain.
Yes.
That the product can be more flexible. They should have some supplies from South Asia and build in South Asia.
Yeah.
They still buy from China and then build in China. So it's all market leads. But this is very natural.
Yeah, and as you say, the market drives everything.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hopefully the market will keep continuing to support you and your exhibition in Hong Kong.
I think the technology-wise, we see the AI, we see the electronic vehicles. These are all driving for the bullishness of the whole PCB demand.
Yeah.
Globally, not only in China. That, of course, depending on your customer base, some are doing very more busy, some are doing slightly quieter.
Especially the AI boards that are going into the AI server farms. I mean, these are huge boards, very dense, many layers, and lots of technology.
This is the change.
Yeah.
5 years ago, everybody focused on what? miniature, small,
Yeah.
MSAP, okay, manufacturing for the mobile phone.
Yeah.
But then now, the hero is the big and thick HDI,
Yeah.
high-speed material, quick signal.
Yeah.
Okay, these are all the AI server boards they're
Yeah.
building.
Yeah, and more challenging, and more knowledge and experience
Exactly.
is needed from the people. Huh?
Different types of technology, but people will soon catching it up very fast.
Yeah, that's one great thing that tends to happen here in Asia is people move much faster.
Yeah,
Yeah, in the US and Europe, I think the transition is slower.
yeah.
Okay, so well, thank you very much for coming in and
Thank you.
sharing with us
Welcome.
this afternoon. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging signing off.